Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to be doing a slime tutorial for you guys today, and this is my own original slime recipe. This by the Texas Roadhouse restaurant. At the Texas Roadhouse restaurant, they have this really good butter that you put in your bread. It is a cinnamon butter and it's so good. You spread it on bread and it's just like so good and so sweet. My mom on special occasions for like holidays and stuff, and it's so good. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Let's start off with the ingredients. We're gonna need some white PVA glue. I am using Elmer's School Glue, baby oil, conditioner of any type, cornstarch, shaving. Scents are completely optional. Color, this is also optional, but I suggest using it to get the color you want. I am using these three colors to get brown, but if you have brown paint, that'll work as well. And lastly, some borax to activate your slime. So I'm just going to start off by pouring my white glue into a bowl. Next, I will be adding some conditioner. I don't want to squirt some baby oil in there. About that much. You want it to be really shiny and glossy, just like melting butter on warm bread. Shaving cream. Mine's almost out, so this might not get quite as fluffy as I'd want it to. And then some cornstarch to give it a thick, creamy consistency like butter. And now I'm just going to add my dyes. And now all we gotta do is mix this up. Before I activate it, I'm just going to add my scent. I'm using a cinnamon scent. It kind of smells like cinnamon rolls. And then just a little bit of vanilla. So now for the fun part, we are going to activate our slime. Add your activator super slowly for the best results, and be super duper careful not to overactivate your slime. Every time you add your activator, be sure to mix it for 2 to 3 minutes to make it really smooth. As you can see, the slime is starting to pull together, and that is exactly what you want. So now I'm going to go in and add a little bit more activator and repeat that process. So at this part of your slime activating, this is where you kind of want to stop adding borax. You really just want to mix it really well and eventually get in with your hands. It might get a little messy, but you really want to be careful not to overactivate this. After you've mixed your slime for a super long time, now you're going to want to go on with your hands and just kind of start kneading it. It's gonna stick a bit, but that's okay. So here is the finished result of the slime, guys. I am super happy with the results. It is so clicky and creamy. I finished kneading it, and I ended up adding a bit more borax because it wasn't quite activating. But now it is perfect. And I actually think I'm going to add a little bit more red food dye because it seems a bit green. So I'll be right back when I'm done doing that. So I decided to call this slime Cinnamon Spread because I didn't want to call it Texas Roadhouse Butter Slime because that's just like way too long. So yes, this is Cinnamon Spread slime inspired by Texas Roadhouse butter. And yeah, I'm super happy with the results. Like I said before, super duper stretchy, clicky, and it makes really nice swirls. And it's super glossy for a really thick slime. thank you. I really hope you enjoyed this slime tutorial because it was super fun to make for you guys. And if we can get this video to 10 likes, I will do another slime tutorial of my own for you guys. So make sure you like this video and comment down below any questions. And also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos. My cat is being sorry. Anyway guys, bye.